Panduit is a leading provider of balance of system (BOS) components for the solar industry. Our robust physical infrastructure solutions play a vital role in renewable energy production facilities worldwide. As the industry has matured, solar-derived power has evolved from simple panels to complex assemblies of solar conversion devices, control systems, and transmission stations. Panduit provides you a robust end-to-end solution for solar energy that prioritizes system reliability, productivity, and safety throughout the infrastructure. Our solution aligns critical control, power, and network distributed systems to maximize the creation and delivery of solar-generated electricity. Our combination of engineering and manufacturing expertise means our full portfolio of solutions is broad and deep, covering up to 75% of a typical PV installation electrical BOS. From grounding and bonding connectors to cable management solutions such as nylon-coated stainless steel and weather-resistant nylon cable ties, edge clips and solar wire hangers, cable cleats, and UV-resistant corrugated loom tubing, as well as print-on-demand identification labels, electrical tape, and network connectivity products. Panduit has been leading the way, partnering with EPCs and O&M providers on PV installations. Best practice methodologies, end-to-end support, and a comprehensive portfolio of solutions positions Panduit as the leading provider of robust physical infrastructure solutions for meeting today's solar energy demands, powering today and tomorrow.